Love Heart is back. Welcome, guys. Welcome back to the channel. This is Love Heart from the Love Heart Decor channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. And if you're a oldie but goodie, thank you so much. Thank you for stopping by. I'm here with another video. A video of a 2024 summer house tour. If you're interested in this kind of video, sit back, relax, and let's get started. We are starting at the front door.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
watching this video and you're not yet subscribed, it's free. Take a moment. Subscribe to the channel. Love Heart Decor family would love to have you. If you enjoyed this video, leave your comments below, give the video a thumbs up, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and have yourself a great day. Bye. Subscribe.